I'm Sylvain Forte, I'm the CEO of SESAMm. We're a fintech company specializing in big data and AI, specifically in the field of asset management. I'll do a small announcement at the end, but right now it's really asset management. We're a company of 40 people that was created around 6 years ago, and that is currently one of the leaders worldwide in what is called alternative data, meaning new types of data sets that hedge funds, banks, and asset managers are leveraging to generate better returns, basically. We work with clients worldwide, including large banks and asset managers, the likes of Nomura, CIC Market, and several large institutions in Europe, in Japan, and in the United States. The field of alternative data is a market that grew from 0 5 years ago to around 2 billion right now. It is basically the ability for asset managers and hedge funds to leverage new types of data sets, such as weather reports, satellite images, which has been very popular in the media, but also in our context, websites, news, social media, so text analysis that helps hedge funds and asset managers make investment decisions and discover more about the companies that they are tracking. If you'd like to analyze and if you'd like to invest in a specific stock, if you know the company better than the company itself, that's a very good competitive hedge in order to make an investment. Our subject is generating alternative data from text. To do that, we analyze a database of more than 8 billion articles and messages, news, blogs, forums, social media. It's one of the largest databases available worldwide in the market of investment, with more than 11 years of data available, meaning that it's very good for backtesting purposes. We provide that data through APIs and dashboards so that clients that are both quantitative and fundamental can make sense of these insights. And we also provide a very interesting data science toolbox in order for clients to build trading strategy. A kind of data IQ, but specifically dedicated to financial use cases and to trading. I want to show you two very quick use cases. The first one is a very generic one. We're analyzing thousands of different companies, indices, commodities, bonds, etc. at the same time and performing e-reputation analysis, both on the company level, but also on each underlying product, brand, CEO, C-level executive, macro indicator, events, in order to drive investments of players. If you'd like to know more about how the Brexit can be analyzed from an e-reputation perspective and from a web coverage perspective, in order to include that in a predictive model, that's the type of information that we can provide directly. If you'd like to know whether customers of a specific company are right now providing a lot of positive or negative reviews, that's the kind of information we can provide directly to trading desks and research teams. Another very, very hot topic right now is automated AI-driven ESG, environmental, social, and governance factors. Right now, the ESG analytics industry is struggling with timeliness. Indicators are created manually, extracted from CO2 reports or government's board reports that are actually provided by the companies themselves. We're able to track that information directly in real time from the web so as to generate daily ESG insights, both for public and more recently for private markets. Imagine assessing the environmental responsibility of a private company, an SME, or even a startup directly. And we can provide these alerts, we can provide text analysis, and we can even provide the underlying text so that clients can really know what's happening right now in the market. We're kind of, I would say, an old fintech company in that sector. We're one of the leaders, and we spend a lot of time developing use cases for clients and very generic solution. This helped us a lot. We grew by around 100% over the last year. And one of the announcements that I want to make is that this type of business is expanding very, very quickly outside the traditional capital markets world and outside hedge funds. And we recently started launching solutions for private equity markets players, including large private equity funds. This is a booming business, and everyone right now are looking to integrate new data sets to make these types of investment and also to start making corporate decisions. So we see a very bright future for the alternative data industry, and we're very happy to be in this business. Thank you very much.